Hello everyone, and it's me, Honor Achinomso, and we want to consider this question on indices. From our last class, we talked about the laws of indices. So here, we're just going to solve this little problem. Let's tackle this. So you can see that from here now, you have multiplication. It's the multiplication law. But remember, I told you that the multiplication and division law, the basis must be the same before it can be applied. So you can see here is 3, here is 9. They're not the same. So what you need to do is you need to make 9 equal to this 3 here. So let's just hop into that. And the solution, let's write the question. So this now, you know that this 9 is equivalent to 3 raised to power 2. You need to make this 9 and this 3 equal. You need to know how many times you can raise 3 to give 9. So 3 raised to power 2, that is 3 times 3, is equivalent to this 9. So you can replace this 9 with 3 raised to power 2, and the thing will still be correct. So you're going to replace this 3 raised to power 2 inside this place. So I'm going to do that. 9 is going to be replaced as 3 raised to power 2. The aim is to make this basis the same, to apply the multiplication law. So 3 raised to power 2, this 9 is 3 raised to power 2. Remember, this 9 already has a power, n plus 1. So you're going to 3 raised to power 2 raised to the power n plus 1 times 3 raised to power 3 minus 2n. You can see now that law is coming up. The law that is double index law. This has 2 powers, 3 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power n plus 1. What do you do in double index law? You multiply the powers. So this 3, write the base. The powers here are now 2 times n plus 1. You multiply the powers times 3 raised to power 3 minus 2n. So you need to open this bracket. That is 2 times n is 2n plus 2 times 1 is 2 times 3 raised to power 3 minus 2n. Now you have gotten this. The 3 and the 3, they are the same. Remember how we did it? We made this 9 in basis of 3. So maybe if this number maybe is 27, you need to make that 27 in basis of 3. If you do 3 times 3 times 3, you get 27. And you do here, replace here with 3 raised to power 3. So it's very easy. Now we have the same base here, and multiplication is here. We apply the multiplication law. What do you do in the multiplication law? You add the powers. So these numbers are the same. Just write one number, you add them. That's 2n plus 2 plus 3 minus 2n. So what I'm going to do here is collecting like that. But mind, in division law, if this was division we are doing, we are going to subtract the powers. And you're going to use that subtraction, that minus to open the bracket. But here is positive and it does not matter. So that is why it's not going to have any effects. You don't need to open the bracket. Plus times plus and minus still minus. But for subtraction, if you plus times plus here, minus times plus is minus. Minus times minus is plus, and it has changed the answer, everything. So you need to be careful when doing that. So what you have here is 2n plus 2 plus 3 minus 2n. We are going to collect like terms. C2n, C minus 2n. So you have 2n minus 2n, the normal numbers, plus 2 plus 3. You can see now 2n minus 2n. They have gone out. So you cancel them out. And what is remaining now is 2 plus 3. That's 3 raised to power 2 plus 3 is 5. That is our final answer. 3 raised to power 5. We can multiply it 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 in 5 places and still get your answer. And that is correct. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And don't forget to like, you comment, and you share the video. Have a